Hey folks, so I made a purchase on Sunday from the Succulents Depot, their seller on Etsy. And today is Wednesday, so from when I purchased it to when they shipped it, I received it really fast and it came out from California all the way to the East Coast in that amount of time. I was impressed. So anyway, let's see what we have. And all three of these are supposed to be outdoor succulents, so I'll be able to plant them outside and not have to worry about them staying inside. So they have a nice instructional about how to pot them and if they're thorny or spiny. And that's actually similar to one of the ones I had purchased. I hope they're labeled adequately, but we'll see. Okay. So this is a Sedum. I think this is supposed to be the one that's supposed to be a lot darker in color. The Botanical Garden had a sale recently, and they were out, and I went early in the day, so I found this online for a comparable price. So that was one of my motivations for getting this. And I'll leave the types in the description because I'm not well versed on succulents. And these are going to go outside. And this is another kind of sedum. And doing my research, I learned that sedums are edible. So it's good to know, but they're also very cold hardy, which is also good to know because these are going outside, as I mentioned. And then here we have another kind. Isn't this one kind of cool, actually? Very full. Anyway, these are the three varieties of sedum which I purchased. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative if you were thinking of purchasing from the Succulents Depot. They have great prices, but also you can see how they package them. Thanks for watching and happy planting.